Cops continue search of criminal burial site. This after the discovery of 5 bodies.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Major Investigations Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is currently leading a high-level probe into the discovery of 5 bodies in 2 graves in an area known as Danger Island, which runs adjacent to the banks of the Sandy Gully in the vicinity of Weymouth Drive in Kingston 20. The police are continuing their search for more bodies buried on the plot of land located off Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew. That has now been confirmed to be a site that has been used by criminals to dump and bury their victims. The grim discovery of the human remains was made shortly after 1 p.m. on Tuesday the 12th of May. This after investigators, acting on information, visited the location. Police said during the search, 2 shallow graves were found. A search of the graves was carried out and 5 bodies were exhumed from the shallow holes that were found in the ground. Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey said 4 bodies were found in one grave and the 5th in another. The police said the bodies, which were all in an advanced state of decomposition, remains unidentified. The discovery has left residents living close to the area in shock.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.